Welcome to Pure Chart Trading. Right off the bat, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm not going to show any fake profit screenshots, rented cars, or expensive watches here. I'm not here to convince you that there's some trading secret, a miracle indicator, or a strategy with a 90% win rate. My channel focuses on pure education without the BS that floods the internet and social media. If my educational content helps even just one of you, I'll be proud and satisfied. So, with that said, let's go ahead and take a look at the first example in today's video. As in all of my teaching, I wait for a clear move that creates a break of structure. I will repeat this 100 times just so you understand it and learn it. I can mark the break of structure, and watch closely how I go about determining my golden zone using the Fibonacci tool. If you want to see more videos like this, check out my channel. I release new videos 3 times a week, on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Even though the price pulled back for a retest, it didn't reach my golden zone. Right after that, it created a new break of structure and a clear impulse. So at this moment, I'm going to redraw everything from scratch and wait for the next setup. It's crucial that you follow the rules and don't just jump into trades randomly. Your setup must always meet all the criteria before entering a trade. Are you watching closely how exactly I use the Fibonacci tool? It's very important that you know how to accurately determine where the golden zone is located. This is exactly what the setup I always wait for looks like. The price pulled back for a retest into my golden zone, wicked into it, and didn't close a single candle body inside it. For me, that's a clear signal to enter the trade. So I'll set a 1% risk and a 2% reward. I always follow the exact same process and change nothing. Look at where I placed my stop loss. This is just to make sure regular market noise doesn't trigger it unnecessarily and to give myself some protection. My simple rule is that once the price moves through at least 75% of my TP, I immediately move my SL to break even to avoid any unnecessary loss and let the trade run risk-free. Now I have a question for you. Did you see me use any special indicator? Did I do anything unique that you've never seen before? I don't think so. I just used pure price action. My Fibonacci tool helped me out, and that's it. If you'd like to learn how to trade this simply too, you'll find plenty of content on my channel to easily learn and apply it. Plus, I drop 3 new videos every week, so don't miss out and pay attention to the details in every video. I have 3 more examples ready for today, so let's go ahead and dive right into them. While we're waiting for the break of structure, drop a comment down below and let me know what you think of this strategy or if you like this system. If you hit that like button, it would mean a lot to me. I have 3 indicators that I need to see: a clear direction, a clear impulse, and the third one is a break of structure. Now, all that's left is to find my golden zone precisely with the Fibonacci tool and wait for a retest as well as confirmation. At this moment, take a good look at the chart. Do you see that clean confirmation I got from the market? The price pulled back into my golden zone, rejected it immediately, and didn't close a single candle body inside the golden zone. Without this kind of confirmation, I would never jump into a trade. Now I'll just set my 1% risk on the SL, stretch it out past the entire Fibonacci tool, and aim for a 2% profit. While we wait for the outcome, I have a question. Would you like to see a 1-hour video where I break down my entire strategy in full detail and explain everything step by step? Let me know down in the comments. At this point, I would probably already have my SL moved to break even, so it would be a risk-free trade and I'd just let it run until the end. In this case, it's proven once again that my process works perfectly. I don't use any nonsense or complicated systems. You can trade exactly like this very easily too. You don't need to pay your hard-earned money for paid Telegram or Discord groups, and you don't need to pay for signals that won't work out the way you imagine anyway. My strategy has a long-term win rate of 55% to 65%, and if you can hit that, congratulations, because that makes you a profitable trader. I have 2 more examples lined up, so let's go check them out, and at the end of the video I'll add up all the results. Do you already know exactly what I'm waiting for right now? Drop it down in the comments so I know you're actually learning how to use my system. Like I said before, if my videos help just one of you, I'll be satisfied. In this case, the market looks like it has the strength to continue upward, so we're going to try to capitalize on that. I have a clear break of structure, which I'll mark out, and after that, I'll just look for my golden zone using the Fibonacci tool. Then I'll wait for the price to pull back into my zone, plus I want to see confirmation. If this sounds complicated, I have to assure you that it's actually a very simple process. None of that ICT nonsense that doesn't work anyway and just overcomplicates everything. Now you can see my simple but clean confirmation that I wait for every single time. The price pulled back, and the moment it touched my golden zone, it reversed and is trying to bounce. For me, this means only one thing: I'm definitely entering the trade. As always, I'll set a 1% risk and a 2% reward and let the trade run. If the price moves through at least 75% of my TP, I'll move my SL to break even. As you can see, today's third example also beautifully hit take profit, which means another 2% added to my capital. Would you like to trade exactly like this too? If you keep watching my upcoming videos, I believe you'll learn it easily. It's nothing difficult or complicated, and I only use pure price action. You don't need anything more than that. Now we can take a look at the final trade example for today's video together, and at the end we'll calculate everything so you can see the result. Now, go ahead and drop a comment down below telling me exactly what I'm waiting for right now. I want to know if you're thinking the same thing I am. At this moment, you can see a nice market impulse that also created a break of structure. I can mark all of this out and look for my golden zone using the Fibonacci tool. Once I find that zone, I have to wait for the price to pull back into it and also for clean confirmation. Only then is my setup valid and I enter the trade. The price pulled back to test my golden zone and gave me a clear signal. The confirmation is clean. The price just touched the zone and immediately started to bounce, so for me that means only one thing: I'm definitely jumping into the trade. As always, I'll set a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, and in a moment, we'll see how my final trade example for today plays out. What do you think the outcome will be? Did the last trade not go as planned? In trading, you aren't going to win every single trade, and a single trade out of 100 doesn't matter at all. On my channel, you'll find losing examples too, because trading isn't just about winning. Trust me, sooner or later you'll hit a losing streak yourself. When that happens, you can't panic or get angry, just simply keep doing what you're doing and change nothing. Let's add up how we ended up in today's video. 3 trades hit take profit and 1 trade hit a loss, so we're up a total of 5% on our capital, which is an amazing result. You can catch my videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so make sure to watch them to see a lot more setups like these and learn from them. Subscribe.